Hey guys, welcome back into the channel. Hope you're doing amazing. 2023 is here and I'm sure we are all hunting some huge crypto gains. So let's have a little exploration of three coins that could be set to explode in February 2023 as well as for the remainder of the year. 2023 bear markets is all about applying discipline, patience, dollar cost averaging and really prospecting the crypto markets where those coins are undervalued and potentially set to explode in the future. That's what we all want, a healthy, diverse portfolio where we could really see some big gains. So we're going to explore three of those today. If you're new to the channel, get yourself into the Discord down below where we're looking at leverage trading, pre-sales, we've got charts, we've got great friendships in here and a really cool community. So come and check out the Discord link down below. And let's have a little look, guys. So we can see the crypto unicorn index right here reflects how many cryptos at present tense have a market capital exceeding $1 billion. And this really reflects a lot of altcoin strength in the markets. We can see Jan 2018 at the peak of a bull run, there was just 44 coins with over $1 billion in market capital. And that's at the peak of a bull run with extreme greed, euphoria, we've hit the blow off tops and everything in the market cycle. Now we're in the fear zone and we can see we still have over 50 different individual cryptos with over $1 billion in terms of its market capitalization. So we would imagine this number will actually average out and the progression will be linear over time. And that's really bullish for the whole sentiment of the crypto markets. So anyhow, guys, here are my three favorite coins. The first one is going to be Mina protocol right here. We can see it's trading at $0.83 with a $690 million what? $690 million market cap. So $0.83, it's up 4% against Bitcoin right now, rank 67. So really looking good. It came out of this undervaluation phase at $0.42. Price action is looking very bullish at the moment. And looking at the all-time data, we can see historically it was trading around $6. So we would anticipate by the end of the year that it could creep up back above $1. Big resistance range looks around $1.63. I'd be keen to see it at least recover back to that level there. And some crazy things are also happening with the Mina ecosystem because they're really focusing on developer growth at the moment. They're acquiring more developers even in the crypto winter, which does show that their vision is long term. So Mina protocol, I am keen to see this one explode more and more. We can see they're sitting here on this particular chart of the total developers, and Mina is building the privacy and security layer for Web3. So it says, we are the lightest blockchain in the world, powered by participants using zero-knowledge technology. Mina is creating the infrastructure for the secure, democratic future we all deserve. And what's really interesting, you look at the Mina blockchain compared to other blockchains, and it says it's 22 kilobytes. I mean, that's just mind-blowing. Like, I'm sure even a selfie is bigger than this whole blockchain, which is absolutely crazy. Other blockchains average 300 gigabyte and they're increasing in size as they scale and grow more and more, which is absolutely incredible. So we can see the last few weeks has been very bullish for Mina protocol, and we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive green candles here. I do expect a slight pullback or retracement, maybe to the top of this particular what we had a descending channel here, which was actually turned into a bullish reversal pattern known as a slanted double bottom. And I do think we might see it at least retest the $0.66 range before pumping up more. But I do think looking at where we are for this coin, looking at how undervalued it is compared to its historical price data, the momentum it's getting, the investor appetite and traction, we could really start to look for some big targets for the future. So the first one would be around $1.87 for 2023, and the golden pocket brings us up to $4.24 in the future. Should that happen, we are breaking through that 20-day moving average on the weekly time frame as well. Next technical target is $1. We can see there was a lot of resistance around 0.94, but I do have hope that we're going to see this coin bust through $1 at some point very soon, and then target the next technical target of $1.22. So lots of craziness happening for this coin. If you did manage to buy it a while ago, you would have made some big gains up to 99%. And I do think we are due the next potential leg up if we can find support at this 0.80 level and then see at least another 50% from here up to maybe $1.22. And then we have more bullish targets following this as well. overall, really nice stuff from the Mina protocol. The next one, guys, is actually going to be a pre-sale. It's an ICO. This is a coin that has not yet launched. It's in pre-sale phase. They've raised $2.2 million. It's known as the MetaMasters Guild, the fastest growing play to earn guild of 2023. Play to earn tokens are absolutely pumping right now. We can see the total market cap for this ecosystem or sector of crypto is $6.3 billion. When we look at the last 7 days, many play to earn tokens have pumped massively following the bullish momentum from Bitcoin, and also the trajectory from altcoins that's also looking really good at the moment. So it does show that we could see this particular token massively pump when it does launch. One MEMAG is 0.016 USDT right now, and we can see when it goes to the next phase, when they finally raise $2.6 million, it's going to go up to 0.019 USDT. This coin, really easy to buy. I've got a link down below for you right at the top in my comments section. All you got to do is connect your MetaMask wallet, and you can buy it with either USDT or Ethereum itself. So it's on the ERC20 network, transaction free, 1 billion tokens total supply, KYC'd, audited as well. You can stake. They've got some really cool looking NFTs as well, and they already have 3 games ready to get deployed and have been developed for when it actually goes live. So it looks really cool. Long-term roadmap here, guys. Do your own research. It's not financial advice. Disclaimer, guys, you could lose money in pre-sales. Crypto is always going to be a speculative asset, and we don't know what can happen in the future, of course. But the last play to earn token we looked at, known as Tamadoge, did a 20x from the pre-sale phase 1. And when it did launch, it did a 10x on centralized exchanges as well, which is absolutely crazy. Here's the white paper or the light paper. You should definitely do your own research and take a look at this one. But yeah, really bullish. Nice token allocation, 1 billion tokens, NFT royalty fee 5%. There's a lot to be excited about with this particular coin. I think pre-sales are going to remain a really good hedge against the sideways trading of Bitcoin and Ethereum and other projects like that. So let's see what can happen. Could be worth putting $50 in, or for more and high rollers, people that really like to go high risk, high reward, 1,000 plus can also work. I've actually put $4,000 into it. I did lose money on my last pre-sale, but I do think we will make some money with this one here, and it's going to go up to stage, I think 7. It's got 7 stages with a hard cap of $5 million. So a 10x means market capital going from 5 million to 50 million, which is kind of realistic actually. Next one, guys, is going to be Aptos, APT, ranked 26. Now it has already had a tremendous month, so it needs to cool off. It did go from $3.80 to $17, and we have looked at this coin at the start of 2023. So it's sensible to not FOMO in, but the trajectory is still looking good and the uptrend is still here. So at the moment it's ranked 26, $17, $2.7 billion market cap. Here's Aptos Labs, committed to developing products and applications on the Aptos blockchain that redefined a Web3 user experience. So very nice. Looking at their Twitter page, 64k followers at the moment, and they're not really showing off. That's what I think is really cool. There's a lot going on with this ecosystem. They're developing, they're updating, they're growing the entire protocol and their wallets as well. They're gaining new partners. So we can see already, looking at this, they're printing a weekly candle on a red. There's been 4 consecutive greens. There could be a bit of a corrective phase here for Aptos. Extremely overbought on the RSIs. We can see, and we're getting that rollover right now. Now, last time we had a correction, we can see from this particular swing high to swing low, it came up to the 2.272 Fibonacci extension. So if we can actually see a bit of support found here, we could speculate that maybe we're going to see around a $26 APT token Aptos in the next few weeks or months. So I'm definitely eyeing this one up for the future. I think it's looking really good. Obviously, we've got a lot of resistance here, and it does look a bit like a broadening sideways channel. But every time it's touching down on the support level, it's looking rather good. So let's see what happens in the next few days for this coin. It's under that 20-day moving average. We need to see it bust back through the 20-day EMA and hopefully retest at least a $20 price level soon, which would incept a $17 pump to the upside. So yeah, guys, Aptos looking really good. It's saying here on one of the analysis sites, APT could be worth around $26 in 2023, max price of $31, which is still providing some decent gains, almost at 2x from there. APT in 2024 up to $46, and then by 2030 some crazy amount like $463. So yeah, a lot of speculation in the markets, but remember, guys, to use this time to grow, research, understand, develop skills, And, you know, guys, a place to do that is in my Discord down below. So do say hi. It's a very welcoming place. Lots of great people, strong community. So yeah, links down below. Of course, if you want to look at the MetaMasters pre-sale for some short-term gains, link is also down below for you. And the other ones, well, I just really speculate that they could do well, especially the Mina protocol, sitting at $0.83 of a market cap of 700 million, where historically the market cap was around 1.72 billion. You know, at least a 3, 4, 5x could be quite possible for 2023. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button. I'll see you soon.